Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First look at the headlines. Hackers of Goa government website may have their roots in America. Harmful.com has hacked websites all over the world. Watch Prudent's special investigation. Centre issuing transfer order of officers directly is a violation of the state's right, says Goa government before the High Court in Atmaram Deshpande's transfer case. Supreme Court deals severe blow to criminal politicians. MP or MLA, if convicted by any court, will be disqualified, rules the apex court. Ponda police register offence against the president and the management of the Shri Kamakshi Devi Homeopathic Medical College. Offence of negligence in disposal of dead bodies. And Murmuga Municipal Council appeals households located in landslide-prone areas to vacate their premises. Now the news in detail. Seems like hackers of Goa government websites have their roots in America. Prudent's investigation has revealed many things. The profile mentions that Harmful.com has hacked websites all over the world. The hackers claim that government websites of Kerala, Bihar and Rajasthan were also hacked, but the hacker is still untraceable. However, there are possibilities that this information available on the hacker's website may be false and misleading. Prudent special report. Prudent tried to reach the roots of the hacker who defaced the Goa government websites. The Prudent probe revealed many things. This is the page of the government website that was hacked. This is another page. Most of the information displayed on both pages is similar. The titles are H4X0R. There is no doubt that the hacker is the same person. The hacker's website is www.harmful.com. The website works through a server in America. The site focuses on Pakistan. Pictures indicate freedom for Kashmir, Pakistan Zindabad and Pakistan Army Zindabad. They are recognized as Boys of Black Hat hackers. Prudent was the first one to break the story of Goa government websites being hacked. The hackers have hacked 540 Indian websites till date. The hacker's profile indicates that the government websites of Kerala, Bihar and Rajasthan were also hacked by the same person. However, the hacker is still at large. IT department suspects that the information available on the website may be false. However, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar claims that the hackers are Chinese.
The Chinese, those are not the main sites. They are restoring them. It does not have much impact, but there are, the cyber attack will continue in spite of...
The government, however, has managed to repair 3 websites till Wednesday afternoon out of 12 hacked ones. The repair work is still in progress. With Bureau Inputs, our senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent. Transfer order issued by the central government directly is a violation of the state's right. Goa government has said this before the High Court while arguing a case related to a transfer of an IPS officer. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni made this categorical statement during the hearing on a petition related to the transfer of Goan IPS officer Atmaram Deshpande. Central government had issued an order transferring him to Mirozam. Deshpande has challenged this transfer order before the High Court. During the hearing on Wednesday, on the behalf of Goa government, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni said that transfers of IPS officer Atmaram Deshpande ordered by the central government is a breach of state's right. Lashing out at the central government, Advocate General said that the Union government still considers Goa as a Union territory. In November 2011, Union Home Ministry had promoted Atmaram Deshpande, a Goan police service officer, to the IPS cadre and then issued an order transferring him to Mizoram. Deshpande first requested central government to hold his transfer for 1 year, citing personal reasons, but his request was declined. Deshpande filed a petition before the High Court challenging his transfer. The High Court is ordered to maintain a status quo on his transfer till final disposal of the petition. The High Court has adjourned this matter for next week. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. The Supreme Court on Wednesday gave a severe blow to criminal politicians. In a landmark judgment, the Apex Court ruled that if any court convicts an MP or MLA for 2 years or more, they will be disqualified as legislators. Pendency of the appeal against conviction in the higher courts can no longer save their membership. The Apex Court has held relevant provision in the Representation of People's Act as ultra vires. The judgment will be applicable for convictions hereafter.
Under no circumstances, court will approve of criminals and people with criminal background or corrupt background to become people's representatives at any level. Panchayat level, MLA, Member of Parliament, nowhere.
Those people, those who are in custody, under trial prisoners also, those who are in custody, they can't vote, so therefore they can't contest also. Though the usual practice that a person who is in the custody used to come and file nomination and contest and thereafter get elected, that practice will be stopped.
Court has held the subsection 4 of section 8 of the Representation of People Act as ultra vires, which means it will not apply further. The political leaders with criminal background will feel the heat of this judgment.
He can very well go to the higher court, but there are two orders in fact when a conviction takes place, a conviction order and a sentence order. Generally the sentence order is stayed, conviction is never stayed. So therefore the day he is convicted, he is barred.
The Indian cross sections have by and large welcomed the verdict, saying it will help cleanse the political system. Bureau Report, Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.